This first video I've done in a week or two because I've been busy moving into the workshop finally, and the main job is got the laser in there and it's working better than ever. Big improvement are these little things. Lens wipes. Instead of using rubbing alcohol and a collection of microfiber cloths, which I have to keep clean to clean the lenses and optics, just use these disposal little lens wipes. Dead cheap, and it means that it's so easy. I keep everything clean and the thing cuts much better than ever. So it's all beautiful and tied in there with all my various tools, easy access across the back. So I've got process trays now for various different projects, and all my small components are stowed safely in there, so they're all over the place. Also made some further improvements to my little workstation holder for the waste. So when I scrape masking on the top, it all disappears into that hole. And then I've labelled up the various things, but these are two sections, so anything with an arrow shows what's underneath. So underneath here I have scraper blades, so I find myself kind of flapping around looking for this stuff. I've got dashboard components under here, under this one, dice trackers under the other. So it's a great little workstation. All my magnets I use for continuous improvement live in there. And I've made some further improvements to the scrap drawers, put them in order, 2, 3 and miscellaneous scrap there, and then a working materials store there which is working dead nicely. And this is another improvement that I'm just playing with at the moment. I'm absolutely rubbish at wearing a mask when I open the door, so I'm just hanging it on the front, so I literally can't get in the laser without wearing the mask. So I'm going to try and maintain the discipline of leaving it there. Final improvements for this week. I've made some further changes to my filming rig. Cable tied a lot of the cables up and improved the way the lighting works, some permanent charging there. We've put in down here further process trays, the colour printer which I haven't wired up yet, and hopefully over the next week or two I'm going to start putting Ethernet in, which is what all this is about, so that I can get some Wi-Fi in here. Games down there, but still work in progress on the top, so I've got nowhere for kind of work in progress, so I end up with a few things out during the day, so I just need to improve that as well.